What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Dunk High Retro Premium in this light chocolate colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material they use in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is the light chocolate Nike Dunk High, which released sometime in February in the US, but we didn't get them here in Canada until last week. So these retailed for a price of $125 US or $160 here in Canada, and the colorway for this shoe is sail, light chocolate, and khaki. When I first saw the initial images of this shoe, it already caught my eye. My first impression was that this really reminds me of a Starbucks colorway, and I just think the colors used on the shoe has a very sophisticated and just an overall very nice look to it. So diving straight into the details, on the toe box, this is covered in this sail colored suede, and we have this perforated look to it just like all your other Nike Dunks. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have a very soft khaki colored leather, which feels very soft to the touch, and when you run your fingers across it, you can see the natural leather grains. This khaki leather covers the eyelets of the shoe as well, and then underneath this is covered in this light chocolate colored suede. Stitched on top of this, we have this shiny sail colored swoosh, which is constructed in what feels like a synthetic leather, and surrounding the side flaps of the shoe right above this is covered in more of that sail colored suede. Surrounding the top portion of the heel, we have more of that light chocolate colored suede, and this sail colored suede wraps around the bottom, and stitched on right in the middle, we have this green leather pull tab. As for the laces, so these only come with one pair of laces, and they're just your standard flat style lace done in this khaki color. Underneath this, we have this retro style nylon tongue, and on the very top we have this tag with the Nike logo done in this green colored finish. The inner liner of the shoe is lined in this brown colored textile, and as for the insoles, these come with their standard foam line insole. It's lined in this brown colored fabric on top, and we have Nike branding stamped on the heel in green. So the upper of the Dunk High sits atop this solid rubber cup sole, which is painted in the sail colored finish. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Dunk outsole. So this is constructed entirely out of this brown colored rubber. We have your standard circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with the Nike logo right in the middle. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Dunk Highs. And for those wondering about sizing, overall this shoe fits true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I usually stick with a size 10 in my regular Nike Dunks, and that's what I did with this pair, and they fit me great. I know some variations of the Dunk fit a little bit more snug, for example SB Dunks, and just other Nike sportswear Dunks sometimes are a little bit inconsistent, and I find that they can sometimes fit snug width-wise. However, this shoe, absolutely no problems with that at all, so even if you have wider feet, I still think true to size would be fine. But long story short, whatever size you normally wear for your Nike Dunk, that's what I'd recommend sticking with for this shoe. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so unfortunately the Dunk isn't the most comfortable shoe out there. There's pretty much zero technology within this shoe, and pretty much the only step in comfort you're feeling is coming from that foam insole. With that said though, it feels very stable, very low to the ground, and for just an everyday casual use shoe, they're going to be okay. I do want to say though, the materials used on this shoe, they feel pretty soft straight out of the box. So unlike the Nike Sportswear GR Dunks, which have that plastic hard leather, these ones in comparison don't feel like that at all, and the suede and the leather don't need any break-in time at all. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this shoe, so first off, material quality, I thought it was actually pretty nice. Let me tell you guys, it's very refreshing to have a Dunk in hand that doesn't use that same plastic or pleather material they use on those GR Nike Sportswear Dunks. And it feels great to be able to wear these and not see a very ugly crease on my toe box, even after just one wear. So on that note, the suedes feel very buttery to the touch, the leathers feel very soft as well, and minus the use of more of a synthetic leather on the swoosh and the back tab, I thought the overall materials were very nice. And similarly, from an overall build and craftsmanship standpoint, for the most part, I thought this pair was very solid. The only issue I have is the side flap. It doesn't lay flat against the body of the shoe, but aside from that, there were no real issues that I can pinpoint, so I just thought overall, this is just a very solid Nike Dunk. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Overall, while generally speaking I'm much more of a dunk low person than a dunk high, I think Nike did a great job in the execution and the color choices of this shoe. I think this is one of those dunks that can be worn in a wide variety of seasons, and it's versatile enough that it can be worn with a wide array of different outfits as well. It also doesn't hurt that brown, khaki, and sail are just very in colors as well, so it makes sense why a lot of people are fans of this shoe. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this light chocolate Nike Dunk High. What are your overall thoughts on the colorway of this shoe, and is this a pair that you guys picked up? Did you pass, or did you take an L? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Your love and support really pushes me to continue creating content, and without you guys, this channel would not be here. If you want to follow my Instagram, you can check me out at esgo8. You can also follow my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.